Thank you, Amol, for taking some time out of your schedule to get on the call with us.
No issue. I am having pleasure to talk with you. Or
Let's start with the questionnaire itself. Like, how long have you been associated with Trackier?
we are onboarded this 1.5 years before.
Okay. So, like, before Trackier, were you using any other MMP?
No. We are a new startup, so that's why there was no other kind of MMP kind of services we were using. We started with Tracker only.
Okay. Like, before using Trackier, were there any specific challenges that you were facing while, like, running your mobile marketing campaigns?
Yeah, there are lots of challenges. Like, we are OTT platform. So, our business that brings by our affiliates and partners. So, tracking their performance was a very big challenge to us. And that challenge gets resolved by this tracker only.
Yeah. So, can you share and explain how was your onboarding process with Trackier? How smooth was it for you and your team back the campaigns?
Actually, the, my personal experience as well as my team's experience was very nice with the onboarding process. It was a very seamless and very smooth experience. The team was very helpful whenever we have any challenge. Uh, right now, also, Ayush is there, the spokesperson for us. And before that, something Sunit was there. So both are very nice person and very intelligent person. So they are helping us very. I mean, they are always ready to help us, and I'm extremely happy with the all this process, onboarding process, just because of they were there.
Okay. So, yeah. So, when you were zeroing down on what platform you have to use, like, and when you were deciding on the MMP, like, there are so many other brands also there in terms of MMPs. So, like, what were your requirements and what were your key concerns when you decided that yes, I'm going to get Trackier for the MMP requirements?
So as I told before, we are a startup. So first big factor for us is like a cost saving. So as compared to other platform like uh, other platforms are a brand, then AppsFlyer, these are very costly as well as we are having some you know it's uh, some people expertise are there who are working in this field from last 20 to 30 years. They recommend us use this tracker. This is, cost effective as well as service point of view. These are very nice uh, facilities providing platform. So that's why we turn to this tracker.
Is there any feature in particular of Tracker MMP that have helped your mobile marketing campaigns to the great extent? I mean, like, can you narrow down 2 or 3 features of Tracker MMP that you are using very frequently and it has helped you a lot?
There are lot of features, but mostly we were using this, this fraudulent tracking, this,
Yeah, anti-fraud and department.
yeah. These features we are using many of the time, like we are having so many affiliates and partners. So these features I like very much because that tracks the what kind of frauds are happening and what is the true numbers are there. So that features we like very much. Second thing, deep linking. That also help us very much in creating a different campaigns and tracking their performance. These two features I am using regularly. So these are the my best choices that I like very much.
So this, how has event segregation helped you in your achieving your campaign targets, like event segregation in Tracker MMP?
Yeah, events are very nicely segregated. I mean, there is no kind of uh, any hassle or any problem we face anytime. Like these are smooth and very, very nicely tracked by this platform. We never found any kind of problem in that.
Like you have said, you have a lot of partners and affiliates that are working with you. So,
Yeah.
like, what do they think about Trackier MMP, and like, how do they find Trackier MMP in their day-to-day use?
Yeah, they are also very much happy with the track here because whatever the facility they what I like. I mean, whatever the campaigns they are running to bring the subscription for us or registrations or the installs that are tracked very, very smoothly. And, there is no kind of a discrepancy. I mean, there is only 1 to 5%. That is, I was not telling very high numbers, but the exact numbers they are also getting and we are also getting. So they are also happy. There is no lacuna in the number or any difference in the number. So they are also very happy and we are also happy. So this is win-win situation for them and us also.
Okay, okay. And
Yeah.
can you quantify any improvements in terms of efficiency, ROI, or any other metrics that you like installs, well, prod installs, track, conversion rate, or LTV, that like from beginning to the point to this point, like you have witnessed any change in your mobile marketing campaigns while using Track here?
Yeah, the overall impact of efficiency, ROI, and other relevant metrics has been consistently positive since we are onboarded with MMP Trackier on our marketing strategy.
In 2024 itself. Yeah. So have you noticed any time or resource saving, since that like there are automation features also there in MMP? So have you noticed that you have saved a lot of time and the time of your resources that are allocated in a campaign, and how has it affected your team's productivity?
Yes, we notice time saving and positive ripple effect on our team productivity, enabling us to work more effectively and achieve better outcomes in our performance marketing effect.
So like ever since you onboarded Racken, like it was the beginning of your startup. So what was the biggest achievement so far, and what is the Trackier's role in it?
Well, uh, honestly, Denning, there was no any kind of platform before we were using, so that's why Tracker was the first platform we were using for this tracking all this kind of activity. So, if you ask me, just because of Tracker, we are able to find the performance of each affiliates and partners as well as this uh, campaigns. So, I mean, there are 100%, that is exactly I'm saying, but a fully contribution of a track here that improved our performance and our ROI. Just because of tracker, this is happening.
Okay. And how was your onboarding journey like so far? Like right from the time you were onboarded and so far, like how do you find the support on the customer success support over here?
Yeah, as I told you, when we onboarded on the track here that time, the same is what I told. Quick was there. So he initially set up all the process and help us to onboard. So that was also very nice experience for us. Right now, Ayush is there for our day-to-day queries and any kind of help if we stuck somewhere or any kind of problem is happening or any features we that don't know how to use. So they are always there. So we are extremely happy if you ask me, mark it on, give me any kind of number from 1 to 10. So I will give 10 out of 9 uh, to this tracker team.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. And like how has Trackier like facilitated and improved the communication and collaboration within your team as well as with your partners and other ad networks?
there is always positive impact of Trackier in our partners as well as on our affiliates. They are they are always happy with. They are not complaining any kind of issue like we are not able to track the campaign performance. We are not having any kind of report. They are getting everything, and we are also getting everything. So we are we both are happy with the facilities provided by the taxpayer.
Okay, so any are there any give me any two logs or report that you find very useful?
Yeah, this event in Apptrove we are tracking every day. From that, we come to know how many people are playing games, registrations, video views, and which as I told, we are the OTT platform. So these things are very very important to us. Like which video or which show are performing very well, and on that basis, our title, our campaign and new strategies going on. So these are live numbers, like on which city, in which city this our customers are there, and what are the age group, which handset they are using. All the things are get tracked, and that are very helpful for us. And as I said, the various shows performance, how many people are viewing this show. So on that basis, we decided to launch which show as soon as possible. I mean, let's say something thriller kind of genre is the very trending. So that number to get tracked in our tracker. Let's say 5,000, 10,000 people are watching these shows every day. So we are trying to launch thriller kind of thriller genre shows
Like,
or upcoming.
like so
Yeah,
data are like helping you optimize your marketing strategy, like you.
I city wise as well as the brand real brand wise, everything on the details get tracked at our this tracker. So I mean there is no charge. I'm not getting any kind of charge to tell us this feature is not there. We are getting almost all the things that we need to run the campaign, and all is present in this tracker.
Okay, so like how like you have mentioned that Ulink and deep linking has helped you a lot in your mobile marketing campaign. So
Yeah.
can you give me one or two example like how you have been using Unilink and deep linking in your affiliate and influencer journey?
Yeah. So, uh, we are having influencers also. Here. So, whenever we want to track the performance of this influencer, we are creating this Unilink that directly redirect user from, let's say, if the user is not having this app or my app, we are having the platform called as iTap, and there all the shows releases are new. Means you are able to see our all shows there. So the thing is, whenever we are giving some promotional video or something redirectional video to the our influencer, we are creating this Unilink and giving them and tracking at the tracker. So I like the features like whenever the user is not having this app, so that is redirecting him to Play Store. And if the app is the particular user is having the app, that link redirect user to the our platform. I mean our app for particular job. So that features are very much helpful for us. And the user experience are far nice, better because of this. Otherwise, separate link for this installation and separate link for this uh, view. I will request you just to start that old one.
Okay, we'll definitely convey this message to our team. And so we are coming to the end of the questionnaire. So on a scale of 1 to 10, like how likely you are to recommend Trackier to other app owners? And what is the primary reason for that recommendation?
Definitely, I'll recommend 10 out of 10 to the Trackier platform, because the reason being, like, first of all, the journey that we started with the Trackier is very pleasant and very happy. Uh, the entire team is very, very enthusiastic and very helpful. They never say no, or even I have some experience with the team members, like Ayush, as well as with the uh, uh, Smrit. They are helping us beyond their working hour. I remember some instances, like on Saturday, Sunday, I asked them help, like Ayush or this way, we are stuck here. Will you help us? They always ready for help. So that thing I like very much, because uh, 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 that creates a very nice impact. Whatever the issue is there, we are having always backbone, and we are pretty much sure they will help us in any situation. So that thing I like very much. And the feature wise, if you ask me, then all the features that are needed this uh, um, in this current scenario, all are all features are there in this package. So I think, saying this, I will recommend this tracker platform, and give rating of 10 of 10 on the basis of uh, this pleasant experience we are having.
Okay, that is really very nice to hear, Amol. Imagine that Trackier family is listening to you right now. What would be your message to them?
Yeah, definitely. I want to express my gratitude for developing a powerful and user-friendly performance marketing software. I just say your dedication and to creating a platform that stimulates our marketing efforts and provide valuable insights, and foster collaboration with media partners is truly commendable. I just say thank you for being as integral part of our marketing success. Thanks, team.